Are you tired of unexpected fees eating away at your travel budget? Today, we're unlocking the secret to stress-free spending abroad with your Revolut card. Step 1. Make sure your Revolut app is updated to the latest version from your app store. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and security updates. Next, before you even pack your bags, exchange your home currency to the local currency within the Revolut app. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates, often better than traditional banks or exchange bureaus. You can do this ahead of time to lock in favorable rates. Now, dive into your card settings in the app. Enable location services to ensure your transactions are approved when you're physically in another country. It's also a good idea to review your spending limits and adjust them as needed to match your travel budget. When making payments, always choose to pay in the local currency. Avoid dynamic currency conversion offered by merchants, as this usually comes with inflated exchange rates and extra fees. If you need cash, use your Revolut card at ATMs. Be aware of your free ATM withdrawal allowance and any applicable fees from the ATM provider itself. Revolut lets you track your ATM withdrawals to prevent surprises. With Revolut, you can minimize fees, manage your spending, and enjoy seamless access to local currency, making your travel experiences much easier. Enjoy your travels, and remember to share this video with your friends.